parts to get.
Diyan 54. Yun.
And keep those credential cards up. You're gonna go all the way in. Welcome.
Beautiful. Yep.
Begin. So let's start with the pleasantries. Shabaso. Welcome to the workshop. We're glad you're here. And I see you've met a few of my companions already. Sierra, thank you for guiding them in safely. Over here we have Stephen. By the door there we have Sam. And over here next to me, Sean. And I'll be guiding you. I've achieved the rank of Kembe. Now, as you know, we are scrappers dealing with scrap metal and junk. You've seen it outside and now and here. But before we go any further, I'd like to tell you more about our little operation. You see, we humbly call ourselves gatherers. And what we really do is we search the galaxy for ancient relics. We travel to the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find with that is what we smuggle and hide here among the junk. So where a stormtrooper sees worthless clutter, those who know will see priceless history. And in these troubled times, protecting our past may just ensure our future. But before we go any further, I must ask you this. You have heard of the legend of Luke Skywalker. Yes? Yes?
Yes.
Good. Over here is a new Jedi. And she has been spotted right here on Batuu. And her name is?
Ray.
Ray, that's right. And what she's leading is the spark of hope we've been waiting for, which is why you're here to build this, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. Today, as you construct your very own lightsaber, you will feel its connection. But where do we start? Well, we begin with perhaps the most important element of any lightsaber. It's a little gem called a
Kyber crystal.
reserve, yes. The kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. You see, the color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's plasma blade. Blue, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi and his young apprentice Anakin Skywalker. And now legend has it, you said it, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Grand Master Yoda, and eventually Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by the Jedi Order's greatest swordsman, Jedi General Mace Windu. That's right, red. It's been called the color of power, and it's the crystal of Darth Maul, Sith assassin Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. Well, these are stories of the past. We are here for you, the future, to look ahead. So, now, it is time for you to choose your kyber crystal, which will be the heart of your lightsaber. But before you choose, I want you to be sure. I want you to clear your mind. I want you to focus and temporarily close your eyes. And picture in your mind's eye these colors: blue, green, violet, and red. And you will notice one color shines brightest. Well, that color calls out to you. So now open your eyes, and when it's time, you will select your kyber crystal. Remember, this will be the heart of your hand-built lightsaber. Now, builders, after you've selected your kyber crystal carefully, place your kyber crystal on the green crystal holder at your station. You will now connect your kyber crystal to the lightsaber design you have pre-selected. You will, of course, begin by building your very own lightsaber hilt. Now, take a look at the box. You may have never seen a lightsaber in this state, no worries. We got you. In your box to the far left, you'll see what is called your lightsaber chassis. All the way to the far right, you see activation plates to your controls. In sections 1 and 2, 4 different types of grips or sleeves. Section 3, we're very powerful.
Chassis, then you'll also start with your crystal. This is going to be the trickiest step. So, crystal's going to go right inside that gap in the middle. I always find for me it's a little bit easier if you stick one of your fingers through. You're going to pinch the top. The top's going to go in first. So you'll push that up. That way you should be able to just balance everything out. We have 1 or 2 of these already. Yeah. What other files do we have?
My dad has the natural one.
Oh, yeah.
And then I used to hang out on Planet. So,
So you
yes.
done this one before.
Yes. I guess
Scale goes straight up and down. It does a spin.
There we are.
Oh yeah, Andrew did it. Upside down. There you go. Yeah, perfect. All right, we are looking all good. So then out of column number 5, you're going to choose either the top or the bottom set. As you go to put those on, right along the side of your chassis, there's going to be a red and a blue mark. Same thing right along that inside edge. So all you have to do is overlap red with red, blue with blue. It's going to slide right into place, so just make sure that those are overlapping.
Blue rectangle, meanwhile in the other, a red rectangle.
And you're going to go ahead and slide up on that switch line. So do that rectangle on the other side. So any 2 out of the 4. Only thing that matters for these is that when you put them on, that thicker end of your grip will always go in towards the middle. And then you are going to push and then spin. You should start to feel that. Make sure that thicker part's going in. There we go. There you go. Yeah.
So the bottom as well?
Yeah.
Your red touches red. You're going to want to make sure the red rectangle.
Are we both happy with those? So, and then it would be the same thing with either one out of number 4. That is going to be your end cap right down at the bottom. Same thing, just give that one a light spin on. How are we feeling over here? Is that our final design? Just gonna do a quick check, make sure everything looks good. And let's get this activated for you. We're all gonna activate together as a group. So as soon as somebody says activate, you're gonna slide up, push it right down, slide up, push it right back down and activate.
And your lightsaber is a lot in common with this one here, right?
Protection is my favorite.
This is designed very young.
Yes.
You chose a very ancient lightsaber,
Yes.
and that says a lot.
Yeah.
The next step I will ask is the color of your crystal.
Purple.
Powerful crystal.
Yeah. It's
a lot of-
gonna go crazy.
There's a lot of power there, right? Very old, like I said, we look for ancient relics. So the relics we use to create this style of lightsaber. So it has a primal connection to the Force. Power crystal. Now, you have the purple. What's your name?
Meg. Meg.
Meg, put your hands out like this, man. Just like that. I'm gonna place your lightsaber in your hands, okay? As you hold it, well, I know, be careful now. Be careful. We got more parts. It's a workshop. Meg, I'm gonna push on it, okay? In your purple crystal, you harness 2 colors. You harness blue, Jedi,
You like it?
red, Sith. So Meg, balance. Very important. Look at that. Very important for you, Meg. Well done. I believe you can do it.
Thank you.
All right. And as you hold your lightsaber, I want you to recognize a lot of the symbols are very ancient. If you haven't seen these, the last time eyes were laid on them were inside Jedi temples. We don't know where they are now, but we know the symbols live on in your head. Keep them well.
Thank you.
Now, on your kyber crystal. Clear your mind and focus on your kyber crystal. It is said that your lightsaber's kyber crystal will help you find balance within the Force when you need it most. And whether you chose the light, the ashlar, or the dark, the bogan, we the gatherers make no judgments here in this workshop, for the Force belongs to us all. All is as the Force wills it. Now, we're about to move on to a very dangerous stage. Now, we'll attempt to stabilize your kyber crystal. This is usually done with the Force. But we the gatherers are not Force sensitive, so we must use our technology. So, please place your hilts back in their saddles. Leave them where they are. You will carefully step away from your stations against the walls and crates. Built into the crystal stabilization chambers. And from there, we will attempt to stabilize your kyber crystal. But, you builders are Force sensitive. I invite you now to focus on your kyber crystals once more. And if you can feel the energy that surrounds us, they say that energy surrounds us.
Well done. Chosen not with skill, you have. Chosen with heart. When joined, they are much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda. Yes, it is indeed time. We are at the final stage. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. In a few moments, I will ask the Builders to step forward. Then, I will ask you to place your hand around your hilt. And on my command and in tradition, you will activate as one. Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Please step forward. Place your hand around your hilt and activate. Builders, please raise your lightsabers high. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And like them, you can change. Done. Now please deactivate.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like your path, it can. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Grandmaster Yoda. Builders in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you with a saber sheath. And wherever you see that symbol, our symbol, may it remind you of the knowledge we've passed on to you today. Because our time here is to make your mark on the galaxy. And remember, you are just as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you just built. So one last time, Builders, please raise your lightsabers and activate. Till the spire!
Till the fire!
Well done, everyone. Please collect your cargo and your safety through those doors. Collecting your safety.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, go.
Hey, good, how are you? Sorry.